Hi guys, it's April Hunter here. If you guys don't know who I am a top producing agent here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. And I have done so and I've become so by using Espresso Agent. I've been using Espresso Agent since 2017. And what I love the most about Espresso Agent is that each morning when I wake up, I can depend on them to have me brand new leads with the best phone numbers, best emails, and they also have the best scripts and best tutorials. So the reason why I started using them was because I wanted to make a switch in my business, right? And I've done so by using them. They've taken me to the next level. I make more than 6 figures. If you're interested in taking your business to the next level, if you're interested in having the best leads with the best number, you'll sign up with Espresso Agent.